the one thing, the government shutdown, it's definitely a fluid situation. So when it first came out, we anticipated certain hurdles, and as the beginning days of the shutdown started, we found additional hurdles. I think the two of the biggest issues we're seeing. Number one is loans in flood zones. So we're running flood certs on obviously every file. Loans that happen to land in a flood zone, there's no way to get a official policy. So there's a few different options. We could provide, approved applications, um, and then, assuming there's no claims in between now and the time the government officially, the shutdown ends, hopefully there's no claims in between then. So that's our first problem. Second problem is government workers. The status of all these government workers is a little bit unknown. Hear lots of stories of some that are working but not getting paid, some that are have been temporarily laid off, some permanently laid off. So obviously there's going to be problems in getting employment and or pay verifications. There's still questions as to whether they're going to earn their back pay. So that's another hurdle that we're running into. FHA loans, we're still processing as normal. Conventional loans, still processing as normal. And then the other piece that we don't see a lot of business in from our company is USDA loans, rural housing, and that's more or less shut down from what I've seen. Not able to get financing for those loans. And obviously, depending on your business and the type of business you do, it could have varying degrees of impact to the bottom line. But it's not fun. It's not pretty, and unfortunately, it doesn't seem like there's any hope. We'd like to see at least talk of some progress, and it just seems like it's ongoing, and I don't see anything happening.